So, I love a Jamaican accent, like I love patois. And I was thinking, like, let me say a few words, and if you're Jamaican, let me know I did. Okay. I'm from South Africa, by the way, so I feel like I can get the, like, rolling of the tongue, kinda. Anyway, Bambaklat. This real Jamaican food. Real Jamaican. Me figo. Me want curry goats. Curry goats. Real Jamaican food. Me I go get Jamaican food. Me I go. Yeah, man. Me I have a Jamaican accent. I don't know. I just love it. It just sounds so Jamaican. Jamaican. Curry goats. Me I fi go.